Government, school, and industry representatives were all in attendance at Congresswoman Axne's roundtable discussion in Council Bluffs Friday. Everyone at the meeting agreed that Iowa cannot be equal with other communities if internet connectivity isn't accessible.
Then we've really got to work on this piece of getting an infrastructure bill out there that has this big rural broadband, $100 billion bill in it, which will help us expand broadband to every corner of Iowa, every corner of Nebraska, every corner of this country.
Representatives from schools and the tech industry said it's not enough just to have internet. It must also be reliable and at a rate people can afford.
Now, with the shifts that we've seen due to the coronavirus pandemic, both with businesses and with schools, the need for internet access has been highlighted. Some even say that it's as important as heat and water.
As you can see, the internet access is as important to every family member now as far as in the learning realm and engaging even in telework that they may be having to do through their job. Is as important to us now as electricity, water, heat. It's just part of our life.
Dr. Vicki Murillo, the Council Bluffs Community School Superintendent, said internet access for students ensures equity and a better education system. Lack of access can lead to students falling behind.
And that is so critical to our students being able to learn and to ensure we don't have what some people are now terming the COVID slide. And ensuring that no child is left behind because we're in the pandemic and they don't have access.
Representative Axne said internet isn't just needed for schools, but also telehealth and businesses. After hearing what everyone had to say, she already has a plan to change the infrastructure.
I'm going to work with the FCC and change a rule around E-rates, which is limiting us from being able to use particular funding to expand connectivity during this time. So times have changed, and so that means some of the rules that we have in place within government have to change along with it.
She worries that rural America is being left behind and wants to close the gap between those areas and urban cities. She said in order to level the playing field, rural areas need people to push for equal access to high-quality internet services. In Council Bluffs, Alyssa Curtis, 3 News Now.